Hey everyone, Jack here. Today, we're diving into the top 10 things you should never do to your car. These are common mistakes that many car owners make, but they can have serious consequences for your car's health, your wallet, and even your safety. We'll discuss why these mistakes are so detrimental and how you can avoid them to keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the dreaded check engine light. We've all seen it, that little yellow beacon of doom illuminating our dashboards. Now I know it can be tempting to ignore it, especially if your car seems to be running fine. But trust me, that's the last thing you want to do. Ignoring the check engine light is like playing Russian roulette with your engine. It could be something minor, like a loose gas cap, or it could be a sign of a much bigger problem that's about to get a whole lot worse and more expensive. Think of it this way. That check engine light is your car trying to communicate with you, telling you something's not quite right. Ignoring it is like ignoring a friend who's trying to warn you about something important. So, do yourself a favor and get it checked out by a mechanic as soon as it pops up. Next up, we have skipping regular maintenance. I get it, life gets busy and those maintenance schedules can seem like a hassle. Plus, it's easy to think, hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Wrong. Regular maintenance is like taking your car to the doctor for a checkup. It's about preventing small issues from becoming major headaches down the road. Think of it like this. Would you rather spend a little money now on an oil change, or a lot more money later on a new engine? Following your car's recommended maintenance schedule is crucial for its longevity and can save you a ton of money in the long run. This one might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people accidentally put the wrong fuel in their cars. It happens more often than you think, and it can have disastrous consequences for your engine. Putting diesel in a gasoline engine or vice versa is like trying to feed a steak to a vegetarian. It's just not going to end well. You'll end up with a stalled car, a hefty repair bill, and maybe even a funny story to tell at parties. Always double-check the pump and your owner's manual to make sure you're using the correct fuel for your car. Chapter 4. Overloading your vehicle. Don't turn your car into a pack mule. We've all been there, trying to cram a mountain of luggage into the trunk for a road trip or hauling a truckload of stuff from IKEA. But overloading your vehicle is a serious safety hazard. Every car has a maximum weight limit, and exceeding it puts excessive strain on your suspension, brakes, and tires. This can lead to poor handling, increased braking distances, and even tire blowouts. So next time you're tempted to overload your car, remember, it's not worth risking your safety or damaging your vehicle. Chapter 5. Neglecting tire pressure, the unsung hero of car maintenance. Tire pressure. It's one of those things that's easy to forget about, but it plays a crucial role in your car's safety and fuel efficiency. Driving with underinflated tires is like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops. It's not going to be pretty. Underinflation increases rolling resistance, which means your engine has to work harder, guzzling more fuel and wearing down your tires faster. Plus, it can affect your car's handling and braking, making it less safe to drive. Check your tire pressure regularly, especially before long trips or when the weather changes. Chapter 6. Ignoring strange noises. Your car is trying to tell you something. Cars make a lot of noises, but if you start hearing something out of the ordinary, don't just crank up the radio and ignore it. Strange noises are often your car's way of telling you something's wrong. It could be a gentle squeak, a rhythmic clicking, a high-pitched whine, or a deep rumbling. Whatever it is, don't ignore it. Those noises could be early warning signs of a minor issue that's about to become a major problem. Getting it checked out early can save you a lot of money and hassle in the long run. Chapter 7. Oil is the lifeblood of your car's engine, and driving with low oil levels is like trying to run a marathon after donating blood. It's not going to end well. Oil lubricates the engine's moving parts, reducing friction and preventing overheating. When oil levels are low, those parts start grinding against each other, causing excessive wear and tear that can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Check your oil levels regularly and top up as needed. It's a simple task that can save you thousands of dollars in engine repairs. When it comes to car parts, you get what you pay for. Sure, those cheap knockoff parts might seem like a good deal at first, but they can end up costing you more in the long run. Think of it like this. Would you trust a heart surgeon who uses discount scalpels? Cheap parts are often made from inferior materials and lack the quality control of original equipment manufacturer, OEM, parts. They might not fit properly, wear out faster, or even cause damage to other parts of your car. When it comes to your car's safety and reliability, it's always best to invest in quality parts. Brakes are arguably the most important safety feature in your car, and ignoring brake issues is like playing Russian roulette with your life. If you notice any of the following signs, get your brakes checked immediately. Squealing or grinding noises, a pulsating brake pedal, a spongy brake pedal, or your car pulling to one side when braking. These are all signs that your brakes are not working properly and need immediate attention. Don't delay. Your safety and the safety of others on the road depend on it. Okay, so maybe forgetting to wash and wax your car won't cause catastrophic engine failure, but it's still important for maintaining your car's appearance and value. Think of it like this. Your car's paint is like your skin. It needs protection from the elements. Regular washing removes dirt, grime, and bird droppings that can damage the paint, while waxing provides a protective layer that helps prevent fading, oxidation, and rust. Plus, a clean and shiny car just looks and feels better, right? Thanks for watching. Make sure to avoid these common mistakes to keep your car running smoothly and safely for years to come. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car tips and reviews. See you next time.